Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa if you're new here. Today's video I was just going to do a pack with me type thing. I am leaving for Nashville tomorrow. I'm super excited. I've never been there, and my family and I are just going to visit some cousins of mine, and I need to pack. I thought I would just show you guys how I pack and certain ways to pack better and more organized. And I'm usually like a really messy packer. I literally used to just like throw things in my bag and call it a day and then be super unorganized when I got there. But this time I want to try and make it more of like a productive thing. I got these like, oh god, what? God, I did not mean to zoom myself in. Oh no. Okay, yes, better. Okay, I was saying I actually bought these little like compression things that you can put your clothes in to help you stay a little bit more organized. So I thought that was a good idea, so that's something I'm gonna try. And yeah, so you guys, I also just got my nails done and my toes. I just got this like berry red, and I think it's really pretty. And then I've just had this outfit on all day. I'm just wearing these Free People biker shorts, and yeah, this is from Free People too. What are they called? I just call them cropped shirts. They just have this like really thin strap, which is like really pretty, and I think it's like really cute. I don't know what I'm gonna wear on the plane. I'm usually cold on planes, and then maybe I'll wear like one of these. I have like 5 of these in like different colors, and maybe just like a sweatshirt or something. Wow, look at this lovely packing job. No, I'm just kidding. I just pulled out a couple things that I'd want to wear from my closet and just stuff from being like gone. I've been like in the Cape and stuff, so I just like left it in my bag. I didn't even bother because it's been like 3 days, and I figured I would just keep it there for now and deal with it when I'm leaving. So these are what I was talking about. These are the I don't even know what the brand is. It's called Secret Pouch. Yeah, I don't know the brand, but really cute. It just comes with this, and comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pouches, and I know you can't really see my face right now, but that's okay. So this is one of them. This is just like a plain pouch this size. I feel like I could put like my, what's it called, deodorant, perfumes, toothbrush, stuff like that in here. And this I'm gonna put maybe brushes, like my moisturizer, my razor, my stuff like that in this size bag, and try and like fill that up as much as I can. And then this, I'm not sure, maybe I'll use this one for like packing storages. And then these are more for like clothes, so they like compress. I'll just show you guys quickly. Yeah, so it just opens like this with like a netting, and you just literally put like your clothes in here as much as you can and try and like fit them all, and then just like compress them. And then this is like a bigger one, so maybe just like my shirts and stuff like that. And this I'll probably try and fit like my leggings and jeans and like bottoms, maybe a couple dresses. I just think it's like a good way to organize. I'll show you guys more like when I'm actually packing. Yeah, so those are those. There's a bonus. They're pink. So I know everything is really messy, but right now I just like literally went through all my drawers and like pulled out everything that I thought was cute and that I thought I would want to bring with me. And now I'm just going to go through all of this and just like sort out everything that I think I'm going to want. Okay, so I just finished putting everything in piles, so I guess I can just show you guys what I did. I just put my dresses here. I put a pile of jeans, and I put a boot cut of jeans, a pair of flowy pants, another white pair of flowy pants, and just like a regular pair of Lucky Brand jeans that I wear all the time. Then these are just like all of my going out shirts, or just shirts that I think I'm gonna wear like every single day. Most of them are like cropped, so I could just pair them with like shorts or jeans. I believe it's supposed to be like extremely hot. Like right now it's like 95 there, so I didn't bring a lot of like long sweaters or anything, but that can bring me to just a couple like lounge stuff. These are just a couple tanks, plain gray tees, and some like a lot of like Gap. I have like a lot of Gap long sleeves in there. And then I just brought a hat and some biker shorts and this is stuck. Pair of biker shorts, and then just like 3 pairs of jean shorts, which I don't know why I need 3 pairs, but I just couldn't decide. And then in like another pair of like these cute buttoned like pink shorts that would look cute with like any shirt. And then just a couple of my bathing suits, and these are like some pajama shorts, and then some running shorts because I'm gonna have to be working out, and then my bras and underwear and etc. And then these are just some shoes that I think I'll need, along with like a couple other that I'll wear every day. But going out, I just feel like these were like really Nashville like. I don't know, maybe I can wear them there. And then these are just like similar like going out shoes. And then just a pair of Lululemon leggings. This is what I'm gonna wear in the airport, and I'll probably just wear these with like a cropped like one of the shirts I had on today, and a little Nike cardigan or something. And then this is just like, I started putting some things into the pouch and can't talk. Then we have some sunscreen that I'm gonna need, and just a couple like moisturizer, hair products. With this in my last video, and I'll have to be adding a couple more to that. And what I put in here was just like some earrings and yeah, like some hoops and a couple necklaces. And I just bought this accessory at Free People for my hair, and a couple like bangle bracelets, just like if I'm trying to dress up an outfit. And yeah, like another pair of hoops, and it's like some plain earrings, and that should be good for that. And then, yeah, so I'm just gonna put all of these away into, oh no, stay, tower of clothes, stay. So I'm just gonna start putting all of these into these pouches, and hopefully they fit. Okay, so this is just the majority of everything that I packed. But I just packed, what is it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, so I packed like most of my stuff in here, and then a couple of the things I left out were just like jeans and some shoes, but that's fine. I think I could manage finding that in my suitcase. Okay guys, so that is the end of this video. My friend actually came and helped me pack a little bit on her way home from work. Say hi, Jill. But I'm actually so tired, and I have to wake up pretty early tomorrow for my flight. So if you guys like these types of videos, give it a thumbs up and comment down below anything else you guys want to see next. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!